All right, so it looks like Luna Classic wants to keep going to the upside. I think last time I did a video, I said the next target was 45. We totally crushed that target. We had a high of almost 60 on, I believe this is on the KuCoin exchange. But if I go to the 3-day chart, this is the highest it's ever been since I made this new coin after Luna crashed and went to zero. So you're basically in price discovery at this point in a way. You're extremely high. I would expect a correction, but I've been expecting that for a while, and you haven't gotten it yet. So the daily chart is cooked. I mean, it could go for another rally again, but it's still overbought at 80. The 4-hour chart is actually in a downtrend. It made a lower high. So to me, that's a little bit of bearish divergence. And let's look at the 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart has reset and is trying to go higher. So 1-hour chart looks good. 4-hour chart and daily chart are high, but there's still a little more steam left in them. But 1-hour chart is definitely has reset. So to me, the 1-hour chart looks bullish. The 4-hour chart is a little shaky because you did make a lower high before you topped out. And the daily chart could be going for more steam, but it is overbought at 80. So just tread cautiously. It is up like 400% for the month. But based on what the 1-hour chart is telling me, it does look like it wants to go for another move higher. Let's go to the 15-minute chart, see if there's anything we can see here. So 15-minute chart is overbought or almost overbought. 1-hour chart, though, does look like it wants to get more juice based on what I'm seeing. So, I mean, basically, considering the fact of your price discovery, just based on the small time frames, we'll do a fib from the high to the low. And that's really the only way we're going to get new targets, considering the fact it's in price discovery. So, I'm going to use the wicks just because it's on such a small time frame. Basically, just all happened today. So I need to do the fibs backwards. Sorry about that. So we'll start from the low and go to the last high, and then we can get new extension targets. I usually don't use fibs. So the next target to the upside would be 62. That would be the next target. If it were to go for another move to the upside, 62 would be the next target. But 62 would be the next target for Luna. But first, obviously, you have to break this resistance here at 60, which you couldn't do the first time. You were close, but you couldn't do it. So if it breaks the next resistance, 62 is at the target. That would be a nice move to the upside. And from where we are right now, it's at, we'll say, 55. To that target would be 8%. So I don't know. It's overcooked. I would be taking profits right now, especially if you're up double, triple your money. But overall, the next target, if it wanted to go for another small rally, would be an 8% rally to 62. With that being said, that's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next one. This can go parabolic still because it is in price discovery, basically. And it still seems like it has a lot of hype around it, but if you are looking at the daily chart, it is overcooked and it probably needs a major correction here coming soon. Not saying it can't go higher short term, but long term, it does seem very overbought. I will see you guys in the next update.